Hello guys, welcome to lesson number 16 of Learn Punjabi through English lesson series by ifectner.com. In lesson number 16, we will learn how do we call different vegetables in Punjabi. Let's start our lesson. Vegetables are called sabziyan. 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 Sabziyan, vegetables, sabziyan. Potato is called aloo. 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 Potato, aloo. Peas, mattar. 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 Mattar is matter. Carrot, gajar. 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 Carrot, gajar. Mint, podina. 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 Mint, पुदीना. ग्रीन चिली, हरी मिर्च. हरी मिर्च. ग्रीन चिली, सब्ज मिर्च और हरी मिर्च. बेल पेपर, शिमला मिर्च. शिमला मिर्च. शिमला मिर्च. शिमला मिर्च, बेल पेपर, शिमला मिर्च. जिंजर, अदरक. 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 जिंजर, अदरक. गार्लिक, लहसुन. लहसुन. Or we call it in thoom. In Punjabi, in some places we call it as thoom. 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 Garlic, thoom. Lemon, limu. 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 Or at some places we call it as nimbu. 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 Lemon, limu or nimbu. Okra, pindi. 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 Okra, pindi. Cucumber, kheera. 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 Cucumber, kheera. Tomato, टमाटर. 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 टमाटो, टमाटर. Onion, प्याज. 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 Onion, प्याज. Guys, now I will repeat this lesson only in Punjabi, so please listen to me carefully. Sabziyan, aloo, mattar, gajar, podina, हरी मिर्च, शिमला मिर्च, अदरक, थूम और लहसुन, नींबू और नींबू, भिंडी, खीरा, टमाटर, प्याज. Guys and girls, it's time for the exercise. I will speak in English and I would expect you to speak in Punjabi. Vegetables, या सब्जियां. Potato or potato, Yes. Aloo. Peas. Nice. Matar. Carrot. Good. Gajar. Mint. Very good. Podina. Green chili. Yes. Hari mirch. Bell pepper. Yes. Shimla mirch. Ginger. Good. Adrak. Garlic. Yes. Lasan or thum. Lemon. Very good. Limu or nimbu. Okra. Nice. Pindi. Cucumber. Yeah. Kheera. Tomato. Very good. Tomato. Onion. Nice. Pyaz. Guys and girls, thank you very much for joining us for this lesson by ifactioner.com. If you would like to do some more exercises, then please visit us on ifactioner.com. Please subscribe to our channel. Please give us a thumbs up for this video. I will see you next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.